Hi, I'm Veronica.
And I'm Laura.
And we're going to be showing you Math Quiz Show by Envision. This is an independent computer activity that students do during math time. The program is published by the same publishers as our Envision textbook, so each quiz corresponds to a different math unit in the students' math books. This particular quiz show is for 6th grade math. Let's get started. Students do during math time. The program is published by the same publishers as our Envision textbook, so each quiz corresponds to a different math unit in the students' math books. This particular quiz show is for 6th grade math. Let's get started. We are going to be playing single player mode. There's also an option for multiplayer and team play, but in our classroom we do single player. In single player mode, the computer remembers all the students who use this particular computer. We are logging in as student teacher. You can either race against the clock or challenge the computer, but today we're going to race against the clock.
Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, what's it going to be? Pick your poison.
So let's say that the students just finished the lesson on topic 4.
Okay, it's you against the clock. Take a moment to see how much game time you have. When the clock strikes 0, your time is up. And begging for more won't get you anywhere.
Gina's sister is 7 years older than Gina. This year, Gina's sister is 19. If G equals Gina's age, the equation G plus 7 equals 19 represents this situation. How can you get the variable alone on one side of the equation? Multiply both sides by 7, subtract 7 from both sides, add 19 to both sides, add 7 to both sides. We will continue playing single player mode and see what the rest of the questions are like.
What do you say we try another?
So I just got I got the wrong answer, and it gives me the right answer, but it doesn't tell me how I should be getting this answer. So it wouldn't be helpful to somebody that doesn't know what's going on.
This question is...
So as you can see, the program doesn't read the question to you. You can pretty much say that you're taking a quiz just like you would at your desk. And let's say if I were stuck at this problem, there's no help available, so ultimately I would have to guess.
Well done.
It just so happens that I got it right.
A 100 point...
So there's very little special effects that come along with the game. There's a fun green background, but there's some sound effects as well. When you answer it correctly, or when you answer it incorrectly, you kind of get like the thunder and the pound coming down on your points. But there's not many bells and whistles. Now I'm going to exit, and I'm going to log in as a teacher. The cool feature about the quiz show is that it provides instructor utilities in which you can update player information, edit the class preferences, view player reports, and view class reports, as well as the general preferences and the passwords and stuff like that. But I think the most important are number 3 and 4, because as part of our criteria, we paid close attention to the assessment, and this is a perfect way for us to
Here we have
view
a student progress report, which
individual
provides
and
us
class
information
reports. So let's
on
go
the
ahead and
different
take a look at
topics
the
they've been
plan.
working on, and it gives us an average score. It also breaks it down into specific topics like adding and subtracting, or dividing by a decimal. So it's a really useful tool. There's another feature as well. If we log off of this, we can see a whole class report, and that gives us some standards to link directly to the curriculum.
So basically, this is a totally independent activity that requires almost no teacher assistant, as long as there are no computer malfunctions. Once the student is set up with a username, he or or she can log on and be playing within a minute. Like we said before, Quiz Show is part of Envision math curriculum, so it's available for just about all the grade levels. And we must say goodbye to Quiz Show.